If Slack is not loading, don't worry. This usually comes down to a simple connection issue, a temporary browser problem, or a network setting that is blocking the app. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get Slack working again as fast as possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's start with the easiest fix first. Refresh the page. If you're using Slack in your browser, click the refresh button or press Ctrl and R on Windows or Command and R on Mac. Sometimes Slack just needs a quick reload to reconnect properly. If you're using the desktop app, close Slack completely and open it again. A simple refresh or relaunch often clears a temporary loading glitch. If Slack still will not load, the next thing to check is your internet speed. Open your browser and search for speed test. You can use any trusted speed test website and run a quick test. What you want to look for is whether your connection is stable and whether your download and upload speeds are actually working normally. If your internet is very slow or unstable, Slack may get stuck loading, fail to sync messages, or never open properly. If the connection looks weak, restart your router or wait until the network stabilizes before trying Slack again. Now, let's move on to another very effective fix. Switch your network. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switching to a mobile hotspot. If you are already using a hotspot, try switching back to Wi-Fi. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with your current network rather than Slack itself. Sometimes a work network, public Wi-Fi, or a restricted connection can block Slack from loading correctly. By changing networks, you can quickly test whether the problem is network related. Another important step is to disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with Slack's connection to its servers, which can cause loading screens, connection errors, or endless spinning. If you have a VPN app running, turn it off and then try opening Slack again. If your system uses a proxy, disable that as well if you know how. Once it's off, reload Slack and see if it opens normally. If Slack still isn't loading after that, try combining these steps. Refresh the page again, confirm your internet is working, and test the app on a different network. In many cases, one of these simple fixes is enough to solve the issue without needing to reinstall anything or change advanced settings. The goal here is to isolate whether the problem is the app, the browser, or the connection. To make the process easier, remember this order. First refresh, then test your internet speed, then switch networks, and finally disable VPN or proxy services. That sequence covers the most common reasons Slack gets stuck loading. Most of the time, one of these steps will get you back into your workspace right away. If you've gone through all of these steps and Slack still won't load, then the issue may be temporary on Slack's side or related to your device or browser cache. But in most cases, these basic checks are enough to fix the problem quickly. Try each step one by one so you can see exactly which one works for your setup. I hope this helped you fix Slack not loading. If it did, please give the video a like and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.